Hi and welcome back to the CraneBee tutorial. This is part of a larger series of videos we did so you can see how CraneBee works. I linked them all down below and you can also just follow along from start to end. In this video I'm going to show you general settings, where you can find your licenses, how you update them and how you synchronize them, and also how you can do just a normal update. Let's get started. Alright, in the last video we left off just after creating a new project and we are into this empty project, and in this video I will show you how you can change the settings and stuff like that. So let's get started. In your empty project or in any project you are opening, you can go to the project tab at the top and click on it. And then down here you have two further options. Let's go to account first. In this one you can see this is my license, and I see all the features I have available in this, and I would also have a logo here if I would want to use it. If I don't have a logo in this field, it will just use the CraneBee logo. And I can also synchronize my license from here, so I just clicked on that. What this does is it will get information from the license server if there is something new available, for example a new crane model. All right, it's synchronized. There will not be a message or something like that. And we move on to the normal options. In the normal options, let's start with the update, because I think that's a little bit part of the synchronization as well. After you synchronized, you want to check if you have new updates available. It's currently checking for me. It doesn't have any because I just did all of mine today. So there's no updates, and if there are updates, it will show you the amount of updates, and then you can run them with install updates now. In my case, obviously, no updates available. There's also a little check mark which might be quite useful if you, for example, modified drawings that we send to you, for example the color, or you put on your own logo on the crane itself. If you check this, it will not overwrite those drawings. All right, moving on from the top. In the general settings, we see the CAD system. In this case, AutoCAD only. Obviously, it will also show the last AutoCAD it detected as running. So in my case, the last AutoCAD I used was 2025 in English. And moving on, we can change the language. Currently to these 11 languages. And we can also change the theme. Changing theme and changing languages will require you to restart the program. So I'm just going to leave this as it is. Moving on to the job site personalization. This is basically what you will see in the job site here. So for example, when I go to the background color and I change it from black to some white, we will get a white background or eggshell. And you can do this with pretty much everything inside the job site. And at the bottom you can see if you want to have automated saving. I have it as never. Some people prefer to have automated saving. And you can also set your standard location for project files. So this is my standard location. I didn't change it. You can change it to whatever you want. This will also work with cloud storage. Next part is the crane options. You can set your own colors. So you can say, I want to have own colors. And then you go to the next button and say which color you want. That's just a color I picked recently. And now all cranes that are newly put into the job site will be light green in this case, but I'm leaving this off for now. Then you can have, you can change the point loadings units. Standard is what you see right now. So for metric we have tons for points and tons per meter squared for bearings, and kip for points imperial and kips per foot squared for imperial bearings. You can also have kilograms and kilonewton, and pound and kilonewton again, and the same with the other two. In the printing options, you can also set the company logo. So this one does the same as the one in your account. So if you set either of them, this will set it to be your printing logo. And again, mine is empty. You can decide what you want to show while printing, I will show you a little bit more about this when I go to this topic later on. Update we did already, and creator of project is what I talked in the last video about. So you can set a creator of a project, and whenever you put in a new project, this will automatically fill out your executing company fields. Yeah, and that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.